Remington replacement screen and blades for Series 5 and 7 foil shavers, silver. Maintain your clean, consistent look with this men's titanium screen and cutter replacement. Pivot and flex foil technology allows the neck to pivot freely while the 3 independent flexing foils adjust to the contours of your face, chin and jaw for an ultra-close, ultra-clean shave. Replacement screens and cutters for Remington Foil Shavers F5790, F7790, F7790XLP, F7790CS, F7790, F7790XLP and F7790CS. Note: the SP390 is not for F4900, F5800, F7800. For these models see SPF 300. Renew your Remington shaver with Remington's SP390 pivot and flex replacement head. The replacement head has titanium-coated blades for ultimate performance. Can be used with Remington Shaver Series F5790, F6790, and F7790. Top reviews from the United States. Smooth and close. Years ago, I finally found this Remington electric shave. With its easy-to-install and top-quality replacement screen and blade, I don't bother with other brands anymore. Besides, it's American.